Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we are going to be learning how to update your games on Steam if you didn't click auto update. And if like something's saying, if the game's saying update, or you need an update or something, and you go on the Steam site and you don't see an update button, I'm going to be showing you guys how. So just launch Steam, go to library, go to what game that's that you need to update, or that's making you update. Right click on it, go to properties, go over to local files, and then you want to go to verify integrity of game files. That will verify all the files for you, and so that will also prevent other future things than happening, or it will, and it will make sure that your game is correctly installed. And by making sure your game's correctly installed, it will know that it's not because it needs an update. So then it will automatically update it, and just that will take like 10 minutes depending on how many game files there are. And that's it. Quick little tutorial, because I have no content right now to edit and post, like no gaming content. So I thought I'd just make a little tutorial video. And thanks for watching. Hey guys, so in 2 weeks I have to go back to school, so there's not going to be a lot of uploading around there, maybe once or twice every month. And the next 2 weeks, next week I have a lot of stuff to do in the day, so I won't be able to be like creating content. And then the week after that I will be on vacation. So there won't be much content in the next few weeks, but I hope you guys just stay with me.